Hey, welcome back to Techie Blossom. In our last video, we explored the EQ filter in Supabase, which is perfect for finding exact matches. Today, we are diving into the NEQ filter or not equal, which helps you to exclude specific data from your queries. In this video, I will walk you through how to use the NEQ filter in real-world scenarios, from excluding iconic players in FUT Maidaan to filtering out discontinued products in an inventory system. I will cover it all. So let's get started. The NEQ filter in Supabase is short for not equal, and it's incredibly handy when you need to exclude certain rows from your results. Let's take an example from an e-commerce inventory system. Imagine you want to show all active products in your store, but exclude discontinued ones. In your database, status might store values like active, out of stock, or discontinued. Here's how you would use the NEQ filter to exclude discontinued products. This query will return all the products except those marked as discontinued. It's a simple but effective way to refine your results. Now, let's apply the not equal filter in a real-world example from my app FUT Maidaan. On the dashboard, we display high-rated players grouped by positions like forwards, midfielders, goalkeepers, and defenders. If the hide icons toggle is on, we exclude iconic players who belong to a club with the ID 999. Here is the Dart code for implementing this feature. You can see we use .neq, we pass in the club ID and also the column name. When hide icons is off, the filter is not applied and all players are shown. This toggle gives users complete control over whether they want iconic players included or excluded. The not equal filter is super versatile and can be applied in a variety of use cases beyond FUT Maidaan. Here are a couple of examples. You want to exclude free tier users in subscription app. So let's say you are managing a subscription-based application with users tiers like free, standard, and premium. You want to show only paying users in analytics. Using the not equal filter, you can exclude free tier users like this. This query ensures that only standard and premium users are included in your results. Next, imagine you are building a movie app and the user wants to hide horror movies from their recommendations. You could use the not equal filter to exclude the horror genre. Both of these examples show how the not equal filter can adapt to different scenarios, helping you create more personalized experiences for your users. Before wrapping up, here are a few tips to help you get the most out of the not equal filter. First is combining filters for precision. The not equal filter works well with other filters like equal or range filters to refine your results further. For example, you can exclude free tier users and filter for users in a specific region. Second is indexing frequently filtered columns. If you are filtering by a specific column like club ID, status, or genre, make sure it's indexed in your database for faster queries. Conditionally apply filters. In cases like the hide icons toggle, conditionally applying the not equal filter based on your user preferences to create dynamic and responsive queries. By combining these steps, you can ensure that your app is both efficient and user-friendly. And that's it for today's video on the not equal filter in Supabase. Now you know how to use it to exclude specific data like iconic players in FUT Maidaan or adapt it for real-world use cases. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Techie Blossom for more coding tutorials. Up next, we will explore the GT filter or greater than filters or all the range filters and how it can help you build dynamic queries. If you got questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding.